seated. Good afternoon, and thank you all for coming. We have gathered today to celebrate the union of Riley and Brenden. The gift is miraculous, and the ceremony presents us with a wonderful opportunity to celebrate the love shared between these two people. We are here to offer our love and support and stand with Riley and Brenden as they begin their new chapter of their lives together. Who gives this woman to be married?
Her mother and I.
Connor has a reading for us today.
Two are better than one, because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. Thank you.
Brenden and Riley will now say their vows. Do you, Brenden, take Riley to be your lawfully wedded wife? Will you honor and cherish her, love, trust, and commit to her through joy and pain, sickness and health, and whatever life may throw at you both, until death do you part?
I do.
Do you, Riley, take Brenden to be your lawfully wedded husband? Will you honor and cherish him, love, trust, and commit to him through joy and pain, sickness and health, and whatever life may throw at you both, until death do you part?
I do.
The couple will now exchange rings. These rings symbolize the never-ending love you feel for each other. The ring has neither a beginning nor an end. Just there is no beginning nor end to whatever the two of you will give and receive. The rings will be a reminder of the vows you have taken today. Brenden, place the ring on Riley's left hand and repeat after me. With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
Riley, place the ring on Brendan's left hand and repeat after me. With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
By the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church and the state of Washington, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Thank you.